Hi, this is Jim Garrison with Mortgage Memos. If you're thinking about buying a house, another important decision you have to make is what lender are you going to use? So I'm going to give you a couple questions to ask to make sure that's the lender that you want to make your application with. The very first question to ask is, how long does it take you to approve and close a loan? You want to find a lender that will meet the terms and conditions of your contract and be able to meet your due diligence date and your closing date. The second question, which is almost more important, is when do you send a loan to an underwriter? You want to work with a lender that sends the loan to the underwriter as quickly as possible. You don't want to work with someone that waits till the last minute to send it to the underwriter because you never know what might come up. Now, if you're working with a lender, they may give you a pre-approval letter, and they get the pre-approval letter by using something called an automated underwriting system. You want to make sure that you work with a lender that has more than one of them. If the lender has two automated underwriting systems, or AUS, you might have a situation where your loan would not be approved by one AUS, but is approved by the other. So it's important to have that flexibility. Another important question to have of the lender is, do you have overlays? What's an overlay? Well, you can get a loan approved by that AUS and then all of a sudden have the underwriter turn the loan down because you don't meet a lender standard that's above and beyond what the AUS has. So that's important to know. When you're talking to the loan officer, another good question to ask is, hey, how experienced are you? How long have you been a loan officer? Obviously, the more experience, the better. And lastly, you might want to ask that lender, can you shop my mortgage insurance rate as well as my interest rate? Here's why. Recently, I found by comparing mortgage insurance rates, I was able to save a customer $4,000 over a 10-year period. So that's why that's important. Now here's one question though, you don't have to ask the lender. Where's your office? Borrowers don't go to people's offices anymore. The days of them dropping paper on a loan officer's desk saying, here you go, are long gone. I hope you found this information informative, and I look forward to helping you soon. Please subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.